Today we're going to take a look at some confusing verbs. Confusing verbs? What? Yeah, a little grammar lesson. Why not? And they're confusing words, so they kind of go together. Confusing verbs in the present tense and in the past tense, because they're in both tenses. Just the simple present and the simple past. But they are irregular verbs. All right, Sarah, get to it. I'm going. Come on. The verbs are ring, sing, and bring. We're going to ring in the new year with a lot of songs. Yay! We're going to ring in the new year. Okay, sing. I love to sing. Bill sings a lot of songs around the holidays. Okay, and then bring. I'm going to bring the cookies to the party. Got it. Now, ring, sing, bring. Present tense. Past tense is where it gets tricky. The past tense of ring is rang. He rang the bell as he drove the car. Then, past tense of sing is sang. Bill sang a beautiful song. Past tense of bring is brang? No. And lots of people say it, but it's not. And it's brought. Bill, I brought cookies to the party yesterday. Oh, okay. Wait, let's review. Ring, sing, bring. Past tense. Rang, sang, brought. What? Why does English have so many words where they follow a rule and then they don't follow a rule? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce and understand this sentence, I hope. Wait, there's two sentences. Bill sang as the song rang out. He brought down the house. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with ring, sing, and bring? Or could you make a sentence with the past tense? Rang, sang, or brought? You can? Excellent. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.